Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set your engagement date on Facebook. So whether you're recently engaged or engaged for some time now and want to set the date, I'm going to show you how to easily do that. And by the way, congratulations on your engagement. So to do that, go ahead and click your profile on the upper left and click on edit details under your intro. So you will find it right there. Scroll down to where you have relationship and you can easily add a relationship status. You click on that, you'll need to click on add a relationship status again, and you will be able to change the relationship status to engaged. Right, so go ahead and set it to engage. Then you can set the date. You can also add your partner as well. So if your partner is also on Facebook and you want to make that visible, you can go ahead and just type in the partner if you want. So for example, it's Andrew or whatever. You can basically go ahead and type that in if the partner is on Facebook, right? So go ahead and type that in. Then you can set the year first and foremost. So let's say it's recent, 2025, and it's in November, and you can say November 1st. Then go ahead and click and save. And of course, as I said, you can either make that public or private. It's really up to you. If you want the whole world to see it, you can click on that and set it. Or you have different audiences that you can choose to make it visible to. So if you want it just only for specific people or you want it for only you, it's really up to you. Select whichever option works best for you. Click on done, and then you can click and save. And that's pretty much all that you have to do, guys, to set your engagement date on Facebook.